you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like, ooh.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today's video is a tan review. I'm going to be reviewing St Tropez tan. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Liv. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and fashion. So if that's something that you're interested in and you like my style of videos, it would mean the world to me to have you hit that subscribe button and come join our little family here on YouTube. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because it really helps me out. Okay, so a few weeks ago I did a video showing you all how I do my fake tan. So I shared all my tips, my tricks and sorcery around how I apply my tan. And I also shared my favourite tans, and my favourite tan that I've used for months now is the St Tropez Ultimate Glow Kit, which is absolutely phenomenal. So I was then contacted to see if I wanted to do an honest review on some more St Tropez products, and of course, because it's the brand that I absolutely love, I jumped at the chance. So I have kindly been gifted some St Tropez products which I've been trying out, and I wanted to come on and show you guys and give you my honest thoughts, and you can then make a decision on which tan you feel is best for you. So I'm going to show you the lovely package that I've been sent over. So I've been sent this gorgeous package here, and inside we have the infamous, beautiful, one and only Ultimate Glow Kit by St Tropez. I mean, every single video I'm wearing this tan. If you head over to my Instagram, you will see I've got a glow, and it's down to this gorgeous little bottle of wonderfulness. But there is opportunity to have other tans in the running, you know, so let's not get too excited. I've also been sent over, which is the one that I've tried for this video, the Self Tan Express. I have heard mixed things about this tan, but mostly good, so I was sent that one. I've also been sent the Purity tanning mist for the face. Oh my god, this smells like a dream. It doesn't smell like fake tan at all. So I've been sent that, and then I've been sent over the tan removing foam. What I thought we would do is I'm going to focus more so on the Express tan, because I will link up here and down below my last tanning video where I explain my tips, tricks, and you will see me applying the Ultimate Glow Kit. I will insert some clips if I can in this video of how it applies and the consistency, so you can see a comparison. In fact, that's probably what we'll do. We'll compare the two tans. They also sent me this double-sided mitt. This, honestly, you get a mitt inside the Ultimate Glow Kit, but this mitt is double-sided. It's really thick and luxurious. The only thing I would say, before you use it, give it a rinse and let it dry, because some of the fluff comes off onto the skin. So definitely give it a rinse first. So let's talk about the Self Tan Express. For me, Self Tan makes me feel confident in myself. I know it's different for everybody, but since beginning to wear Self Tan, fake tan, it just gives you a boost of confidence. I can't really explain it. I'm sure you guys out there agree. So I'm always one for trying tans, and St Tropez has been a brand that I've just landed on and kind of stuck there. I've kind of played with other tans but always gone back, but the Ultimate Glow Kit is the only one that I've tried, so this I was really excited to try. It is a bronzing mousse, so your very typical pump action mousse. I gave it a shake beforehand, and I just literally, you'll see a clip now, I pumped some out onto the mitt, squoze the mitt like I normally do, and I started to apply in long sweeping motions on my arm. I kid you not, this tan went on like a dream. If I'm comparing the two, can't believe I'm saying it, but the Express tan went on easier than the mousse. The way that this Express tan works is quite unique in the way that it works. It's like a bit of an advanced technology. You apply it all over as you would a normal tan. It's got a unique St Tropez scent. It doesn't smell like biscuits fake tan at all. You apply it and you can either leave it on for 1 hour before you shower, and that will give you a light tan. You can leave it on for 2 hours, which will give you a medium tan, or 3 hours, which will give you a dark tan. I applied this and left it on for 4 just because I was doing bits and bobs and just forgot. What you're then going to do, go in the shower as you normally would and just rinse it with warm water. Just rinse your body with warm water. Step out, pat yourself dry. You will be left with a very light to medium looking tan. Don't panic by that, because it still is developing for the next 4 to 8 hours. I know it's crazy, right? So you can go to bed not feeling sticky, not transferring all over the sheets, and be developing into a bronze goddess. It's pretty unique, I would say. When I applied it, I noticed that it had an olivey undertone. Some tans have olive, some tans have red, and some tans have a mix of both. So when you jump in the shower, you'll notice that there's green coming off. Don't panic, don't panic. You're not going off, you're not going moldy, it's normal. The only thing I would say about this, if I was to be critical, I found it to be quite sticky for the first hour. I let it dry for about 10-15 minutes and then I popped on just like a loose long sleeve nightie, and the longer that it's on your body, the less sticky it becomes. That's just a thing, but I don't mind it. Do you know why? Because I've only got to leave it on for the maximum 3 hours if I want to, and it gives you a natural looking tan. That's what I like about St Tropez, is the tan products just give you a really natural looking tan. You don't look at yourself and go, ooh, that's fake tan. Like I said to Ben, what do you think of this? And he went, it's very natural looking, isn't it? But boom, that's all you want to hear when you're looking at tan. Well, I do personally anyway. So yeah, I did my usual routine before applying this. I exfoliated, I moisturised dry areas, and then I went in with this. I did do the exfoliation the day before, and then put some moisturiser on my dry areas and went in with this the following day. So yeah, I'm actually impressed. It is streak free, it doesn't go patchy, it doesn't have a horrible smell, it melts into the skin. Like it honestly does go on so seamlessly. You'll see from the video, when it goes on as well, there's not like a massive, there's a colour guide, but it's not huge. So the other thing that I noticed by using this express one is because it's only on for 3 hours, you don't get as much rub off onto your clothes. In fact, I saw hardly any. There was some, granted, like around the back of the collar, but it was so minimal, and it washed straight out, it didn't stain. And the benefit of this is when you go to bed, you wake up the next morning, you've got no tan on your sheets because you've rinsed it off after the 3 hours. So this is going to be perfect for, you might have last minute holidays, you might have last minute barbecues, you might have weddings that you're going to that can now go ahead, and you're thinking, right, okay, I've got a wedding to go to, what tan is going to be best for me? I don't want to look orange, I want to look natural. You're totally in control of this tan, and that is what I love about it. Yes, you're in control of the mousse as well, but this one you only have to leave on for a maximum of 3 hours, and you are going to still develop that tan over the next 4 to 8. We might have another tan contender on the market. Can't believe it. What I'll do is I'll link it down below for you so that you can go and check it out. You know, I've seen this in Boots, so if you want to just pop out and have a look. Yes, I'll put a video on of the tan after, and it's just so natural looking, so natural looking. Which brings me on to my favourite. I'm not going to talk too much about this because I did a whole video on it practically, which I'll link. If you want to know how to get that glow, then go check that one out. Now this is just right, this tan, honestly, please don't discontinue this tan. You can't. There are so many people out there that absolutely adore this tan. The smell of it, the feel of it, it's a luxurious whipped cream texture, consistency. I'll insert a clip of me popping it on the mitt here. Between the two, I feel you have to work this one a little bit more because it's thicker, more luxurious, creamier. So you need to work this a bit more than you do this. This one, I don't go hard and heavy with it. I mentioned in my video, you don't need to go hard and heavy with your layers, otherwise you're going to be sticky. This sinks in quicker than this one. I'm going to be honest, I'm going to be frank, that's what we're here for. We're doing an honest review. This sinks in, I would say, after 5 to 10 minutes. This one is still sticky an hour later, but then does go. But this one you're only keeping on for 3 hours. This one you can leave on all night. You're not going to feel uncomfortable in bed, you're not going to feel sticky, gross, ugh. It will transfer a bit onto your clothing of choice, your nightwear basically, because we all tan at night, don't we? And it will transfer onto your sheets if you don't wear anything on your legs. So best thing to do there would be, if possible, long trousers and a long sleeve top in bed. It's a heat wave, it's summer, probably not going to do that. Another tip would be to sleep inside a single quilt cover in your bed. It's not going to transfer on your sheets. Or if you're not bothered like me, just chuck your sheets in the wash and it'll wash out. This is beautiful. So you can leave this on for a full 4 to 8 hours and rinse off. So I leave this on overnight. If you want a lighter tan, you can wash it off after a couple of hours if you want to. I've not tried that method, so don't quote me on it. I leave it on all night. I love it. It comes with its own limited edition mitt, one-sided, does the job perfectly well. You've got everything you need in that one tube. This one is my favourite for that perfect, glowy, darker looking tan, dark and natural looking tan. This one is now my favourite for when I've not got time. I don't particularly want a dark natural tan, just a bit of a glow. This one, the fact that you could wash it off after 3 hours was pretty damn good for me. Can I choose? Probably gearing more towards this one because honestly, it's in my Hall of Fame. I adore this tan. If you've not tried it, please, I'll link it below. Just go and try it. I'm pretty sure it's on offer at the moment in Boots as well. I know it's on offer on Pretty Little Thing. Go and check it out. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. You will probably come back and thank me for introducing you to this tan. But they're just too different, so I can't choose actually. Do you know what? I can't choose. Don't put me in that position. Don't want to be in that position. Can't choose. Love them both. Mwah. I thought I found the face tanner of all face tanners. Well, kid you not, Liv, you were wrong. You were so wrong. I got sent this in my little package. It's the Purity Self Tan Bronzing Water. It's a beautiful mist. It's just like a fine mist. It doesn't soak you. You know when you can get those setting sprays and face mists and that you get splodges? It's not like that. It's beautiful, fine mist. I went with about, you can go with about 4 to 8 mists. You can go on all over your face, your neck, your chest. You can use it on your hands, on your feet. It's going to develop over 4 to 8 hours. It's not going to leave any staining on your pillow. It's not going to leave a sticky, horrible feeling on your face. You wake up the next morning with a beautiful glow. I was gobsmacked from one use. So what I did with this is I just applied a little teeny tiny bit of moisturiser because I've got dry skin, and then I spritzed this. Left it, went to bed, woke up glowing. This is going to be your best friend on holiday, around the pool. You don't want to wear makeup. It's going to be your best friend on days like today when you don't want to wear makeup. It's going to give you that glow. It's got hyaluronic acid in. It's got no nasties in. 100% naturally derived DHA and packed with advanced moisturisers. I absolutely am now currently obsessed with this. I now understand the hype around this product. I'll link it down below. You can also apply it under makeup, over the top of makeup. So versatile, so refreshing. Oh, it smells like holiday in a bottle. Not coconutty, tropical. It's beautiful. I highly, 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 highly recommend that. That is now going to go on my shelf, and that is now my self tanner of choice. Now, you're probably looking at this video going, Liv, you say you're good at applying fake tan, what have you done on your wrists, girl? Well, I wanted to give myself a chance to try this, the self tan remover. Now, in my previous video, you'll probably see that I said I don't get along with self tan removing foam. So when this came in the package, I was like, whoa, 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 let's give it a go. So I purposely, and I have done this purposely, believe it or not, you may or may not agree, I've purposely gone down onto my hand here, and I'll tell you why I've done that, because on the back it says remove mistakes or tan buildup and prepare skin for your next application. Suitable for even sensitive skin, it effectively removes all traces of tan in minutes. Removes mistakes from day 1 as well as a week-old tan. So this tan, my tan has been on now since Friday, 2 days. Okay, so we passed the 1-day mark. Perfect. I've been walking around like this, but who cares? So what we're going to do, we are going to put this on and leave it on for, sure it's 5 minutes, all over clean, dry, tan skin. Gently massage the foam into skin and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse off in the shower with warm water for best results, and for stubborn areas, use with St Tropez Tan Remover Mitt. I haven't got one of those, but I've got the remover gloves, so that's what I would do. So we are going to give this remover a go. Smells nice, St Tropez smell. We're going to pump out, whoa, that's probably too much. Yeah, it smells nice. So we're going to pump a bit out. So here where I've bodged on my hand, and here, just going to massage it in, feather it down just because we don't want an obvious demarcation line, do we? Nobody wants that. So yeah, I'm just applying that on there. I'm going to do the same for the other hand. This is probably my worst hand, especially here. I would say definitely apply generously. Obviously I'm trying to fix a mistake here, so you know, normally you would just slap it on all over your skin, but Liv's decided to make a mistake to fix it. So I can show you guys. So there we go. I'm now going to set my timer for 5 minutes and I will be back. I left mine on for about 10 minutes. Here is what we are left with. You can see it's definitely had a good go. It has definitely taken it off here, look. So now if I want to, I can just literally go and get my little brush, pop a bit of the tan on, buff into those bits, leave for an hour, rinse off, and it'll develop. These are amazing products. I'm not just saying it because they were gifted to me. These are amazing products. I really highly rate them. You know I do, because my last video, I bought this with my own money every single time. I absolutely adore it. I recommend it still to this day. It's my go-to. Add these to your collection, you won't be disappointed, I promise. So it's safe to say my obsession with St Tropez tan continues. I am really happy that I got to try these products. I am in love with them. They are staples now in my tanning routine. If you do want me to do a full routine using the New Express, then do let me know. But I have got my full routine using the Ashleigh Graham Ultimate Glow Kit linked up above somewhere and definitely down below. I'll link the products down below, so go check them out. I hope it's given you some idea on if you were to-ing and fro-ing between which tan to go for. I hope it's helped you make your decision. Yeah guys, thanks so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!